Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Hi honey, finally we have this peaceful chance to sneak in kahit few moments lang and spend time together. Alam mo, I'm really looking forward to this time alone together kasi very stressful ang holiday rush.
Yes, most Christmas activities focus on the whole family and that's great. But having traditions with just your spouse is as important. Let us not be caught up in the busyness of this season that we forget to spend enough time together.
So today, we will help you start your own couple tradition this Christmas.
Join us for another episode of Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay entitled Christmas for Two, please. Your couple tradition might be sweet, weird, romantic, or all of the above. Honey, this Christmas, I want us to start our own couple tradition.
Sige.
I want us to have a date at our happy place. In the middle of the dashing and cleaning, wrapping and cooking, carve out some time to date your spouse. You know, dating causes you to connect with each other away from the children. Date your spouse in one of your happy places, just like where we are now.
Sounds exciting, honey. Number 2, have a fire and a blanket. Oh, wag kayong ma-intimidate ha. Simple lang to. Make a small bonfire at your backyard. Sit close by each other with your honey and wrap yourselves around a blanket while sipping a hot chocolate, and the rest is up to you.
I like that.
I'm sure.
Okay, number 3, tree lights and memory. Sounds intriguing? When everyone in your household is fast asleep, grab your spouse and head towards the Christmas tree. Close all the lights in the room, but leave the lights of the Christmas tree on. And you can start talking about your favorite holiday memories and end the night with a kiss or two.
Gusto ko yan, Claire. Number 4, write each other Christmas letter. Ito, konti na lang gumagawa ngayon dahil masyadong techy na lahat ng tao. This may seem outdated, but there is nothing more romantic than expressing your feelings in a note written from the heart. Napakaganda nito, honey. I used to do that before, ha?
So, susulatan mo ako this Christmas, ha?
I'll do it again.
We encourage you to remember the importance of taking time out for your relationship this season. That might be the best Christmas gift you could give your marriage. Have your own couple holiday tradition beginning this year. Merry Christmas!
Lagi po natin tandaan na mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na magtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.